I gave her $110,000. It's all, she's got all my money from the divorce. I think she's doing okay. I'm not.
Custer and Lori Custer. Mr. Custer is here. The defendant, Ms. Custer, is not. The matter was set for hearing on Mr. Mark Custer's motion regarding support. Sir, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm any testimony given this cause to be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, and you filed this motion regarding support?
Yes, sir.
All right, what are you requesting today and why?
Well, I got diagnosed for heart failure, and the doctor said I can't work. My heart will pop or stop if it beats too fast. I'm looking at possible triple bypass surgery or a heart transplant. My major arteries are clogged, and so I don't have an income to keep paying this $1,400 a month to her. I don't have an income.
All right, and you filed this back on May 15th, and you sent a copy to Lori Custer?
Yes, sir. I filed it through the court and she got hers. Yep.
Oh, have you talked to her?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she hasn't checked into the Zoom. Let me just double check the hallway, make sure she's not out there. Sometimes people sneak in.
Okay.
No, she's not out there. So, are you requesting then, oh boy.
So we have two daughters that are minors. One's going to be 18 in September and the other one will be 18 in June of 2026. And I've been paying $500 a month for each of the daughters and $400 a month for spousal support, a total of $1,400 a month. And I don't have a way to continue paying that. I gave her $110,000. It's all, she's got all my money from the divorce. I think she's doing okay. I'm not. So I tried to talk to her about dropping it. My lawyer said if she could just agree, then you wouldn't have to go through the proceedings, but she couldn't agree. So I just filed the proceedings. And I did apply for a disability and they're processing me. And they said that as soon as I'm all processed, they're going to apply for my kids so that the child support could be paid through the disability instead of me.
All right, and then is George Neros your doctor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you submitted a letter from Trinity Health. That letter is not signed by him. You have a signed copy?
Yes, sir. I went back and said, hey, we forgot to sign this and take the extra word out that shouldn't have been there. Been thinking too clearly to catch up with the details. But yeah, I do have a signed copy. Let me see if I can show it to you right here. Oh, there you go.
Okay. All right. Since the other party's not here, I can consider it. If she was here and was objecting to the entry of a letter, a lot of times letters are hearsay unless they're verified by somebody from the office or unless the doctor testifies themselves to verify the diagnosis and is available for cross-examination. But she's not here, so I can certainly consider that. There's only one problem. When you got this motion, this is presumed to be a child support motion. I can't by law hear motions to raise or lower spousal support. So referees are appointed by the chief judge under MCL 552.507, and section 2A says a referee may do all of the following: hear all motions in a domestic relations matter except motions pertaining to an increase or decrease in spouse support referred to the referee by the court. So for whatever reason, when they created this position for referees to handle domestic relations matters, they, for whatever reason, carved out spousal support motions to raise or lower from what we're allowed to do.
Okay.
Probably when you asked for the motion, maybe you weren't specific that you're requesting me to consider both.
Yeah, I did. When it asked me on the form, I put spousal and child.
I see that.
And I put
you said that's what you're ordered to pay. So I can enter an order today because this hasn't been opposed by the other party. I can enter an order to stop your child support effective June 1st. I can't, you're gonna have to file another motion on the spousal though, and I apologize for that oversight, but like I said, I'm statutorily prohibited from hearing motions to increase or decrease spousal support, all right?
Okay, so how do I, thank you very much, Mr. Page. And so when you say you put that order in, that means that it's a done deal and I don't have to pay that child support?
You won't have to pay, I didn't look it up, but I'm going by your word, 500 a month each kid, so.
Yeah.
If it's 1,000 a month, the order that is entered as a result of this hearing will stop that obligation effective this month.
Okay.
If there are arrears, those may have to be paid at some point.
No, there's no arrears.
Okay, but like I said, the spousal support will continue to be owed until you take action to address that. So if you come back up and file another motion, make sure you're very specific that it's spousal support and you're aware that the referee can't hear that and it needs to be set in front of the judge. All right?
And, okay, I need to tell them that the referee can hear that?
Cannot.
Oh, referee cannot hear that. Oh, okay, okay.
That's me. Yeah, that's me. And like I said,
It needs to go for the judge.
yeah, and I'll make sure that they're aware of that up there, that if there's ever a motion to raise or lower spousal support, that I cannot hear those. All right?
Okay, and so I need to go back to where I was before to work with the judge.
Yeah, and did you pay a filing fee for your motion?
Yeah, it was about $80 or $83 or something.
All right. I can't guarantee anything, but because of the confusion, I'll see if maybe the filing fee could be waived on your spousal support motion.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, we're all set for today. You'll get an order stopping child support, like I said, okay?
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Page. Have a nice day.